Double murder just occurred in Portland Cottage, Veer. You understand? Yeah, man. Just now, I'm showing you the video. Just get it just now, so I just make you know what I'm going.
2 hours later.
Big up everybody, big up everybody, big up the bosses, then big up everybody. The boss is here with another update, aka CNN boss. Well, big up all my subscribers, them there. Haven't been posting for a week, but I have to talk about the story here, guys. This guy in the picture, he go by the name of Leegates. He's a popular vlogger who always video like, him do like ceremonies, funeral and whole heap of stuff, guys, and him have a name out there. He's very big in Clarendon based on the information that I'm hearing. So, news on the street, I talk off of what I say on like Instagram and other people posting. I understand, I don't know nothing about this or what the motive, so let me get that clear. So I don't want nobody pre me, alright? So, there was a double M that took place down in Clarendon, alright? So, basically, this guy, based on the video when put out, this is on his channel, guys. So I saw me get the video. It's like he went there and he was reporting. But in the video where me I watch now, I hear him say, him against it and him knows, him a talk up a bag of things, guys, and him a say, him have the video, him so show them. So I don't know which video, but I don't know what going on. But guys, he was on his live and he was telling people like, me a head show. Them be now, I pass through and him show people street and him say I'm on the way now and blah blah blah. I go play the video, but as bloggers, guys, I say that to say this as a Chinaman would I say, we have to be very careful. You understand? This is Jamaica. You can't just get up and hear things and see things and run, figure deal with it. No, it don't work like that. You have to be very careful because look at this man now. Him run and him get fame, 3 pints gone. You understand? I have the video with somebody circulate the video and I don't want to post it, guys. Because you don't know. RIP, my condolences, but, you know, he was there lying down in the car with the other man and it don't look good, guys. And that's why I say, as bloggers, we have to be very careful. Because me live in a St. Catherine. If I hear about, you know, much things happening in St. Catherine, I don't know me live at St. Catherine, so I live near Spanish Town, so a whole heap of things that a while. And I don't take my phone and go video or take place or try instigate. I don't want to be a superhero. You can't be a superhero in a Jamaica. Them place is very, very deep. You understand? So, I know I call me Jamaican CNN. I appreciate it. But like what I see some bloggers do, they go in depth, they make phone call, them have this or somebody else say this. Me not do it on my platform. You understand? Because I not run down views, guys. That's one thing with this boy. I not run down views. You understand? So, I know if I get views. I do this long time. So, I know the game. So, I know the boundaries where I cross. Because, guys, in a Jamaica, it's a slip your slide. And I cannot be an instigator and I instigate people. Things and move where people do. No, I love my life. A views and a little US dollar for a video not going to make no sense to me. I saw me look on it. So my boss, I'm sorry, say I saw it go. If I saw it go like where them have it in the Instagram and Facebook, I say you know people are not idiot. So people not go talk. Even though they say the police don't have a motive yet, but that is the word in the street. So I just give it to the people as how it is. You understand? So I know I call me Jamaican CNN, but I have levels where I go, guys. You understand? I not run down cloud. I not go overboard. I love my life. I have a family. You understand? So, other platform holders can do what they want to do. I not look no glory, I'm good. I go as far as I can go. You understand? And big up the people who always support me and, you know, through thick and thin. I love you know. Alright, I go play the video. I want to listen. This was his last video that he did. And we can check out his channel, Leegates. I want to see him talk in the video. I just take piece out for talk for me to understand what I'm going. Alright, so, me soon I'm going to do a topic on this during the day. I have to do a live on this big man thing. Alright? So I'm going to get in a video now.
Jaja. Father. What is going on in these times? Why so much murders? Why so much things? Why so much crime? Why so much? Why? what kind of related. I don't know what is good. You can just go and share the live, people. You understand me? I say double murder just occurred in Portland Cottage, Veer. You understand? Yeah, man. Just now, I'm showing you the video. Just get it just now, so me just make on know what I want. You understand me? I say me just actually I drive go down at the hospital. But people that anytime I see live I freeze up, somebody I call it the phone. Somebody I call the phone where we are use to do the live streaming. You understand me? I say so. Answer the phone, bro, G. As me say, people, anytime when you see the live I freeze up, I basically somebody I call the phone and I interrupt it. You understand me? I say because as people see me go live, them I call the phone and the phone me I use them I call. Them I call on the WhatsApp, them I call on the straight line and I interrupt the call. You understand me? I say people, it is heartbreaking, it is heartbreaking why so much Putin a go on. For y'all who no see Clarendon and while so. Alright, this is Mineralite, see the Texaco gas station. This is the Millennium Mall too as well, people. You understand? Nice mall. Every single thing over there, people, I swear. Nice, big mall.
So yeah, guys, when you see it for yourself and Jano style. It's that's as I said before I reach here saying the video as bloggers. Alright, I'm a blogger, I show my face. So there's some topic I cannot touch, guys. Some more time I soon I send stuff to my phone and things I don't interested. You understand? I'm not interested. I'm showing my face out there. So I have to be on a mutual ground. You understand? I can't be talking about stuff like how I see some people do. And enough of them mark themselves, guys. I'm not ask you. So whether I don't know or a couple of months I can hear say XYZ happen to such people or whatever, sometime it'll come off or something. So we live in Jamaica, we have to be very, you understand? I have to be careful and know where I do. You understand? I don't know. So that's what I say, guys. It is a very, you know, because based on what I hear about this guy is love. A lot of people I send out condolences to him and his family, and you know, people are saying they can't believe. You understand? So people in Clarendon here might familiar with him, and yo, them things I set away. You know how much time people come to me with stories and I'm not interested. I'm not interested. I know want my thing. I know my thing. I know my boundaries. But anyway, guys, big up on yourself and we talk about this. Alright? Peace.